Munua Alatiawi ni dada kwa Alatiawi aka Agronya Nkwapo de nabatwa kramale asokolara yafo samatankla wati papito gad timpala udi etwa muasia man from nana na mamia from chief
ade efene say fa phone and subscribe Lawson TV
Mama Wakwa Baba, Waha Construction Company Limited. You use modern cost-effective building technologies to build state-of-the-art facilities. And yes, also provide separate ancillary services such as architectural drawings, landscaping, renovation, electrical installations, and repairs. House management, plumbing, carpentry, masonry works, and more kakam. Ebusia for Wawa Quintum, Umwana Wapida was done. I hear one Kodanda. Makam for Waha Construction Company Limited. It's a month. A Denbiara PDC Biara saw school done, chapel done, restaurant. From a Waha Construction Company Limited. Nantumada, Ubesin the Kamadamo, Sapida Washa Dumawa, Washadamo, Capimabra, Ababa, Abecha Wodan. So we're going to Nasa PDs Wooden was Central Region, Ashanti Region, Western Region, Greater Accra, Ghana Babyara. Moyaring it about contact one. Kululu Biani, Waha Construction Company Limited, Woko Yarati. What then Biara PDC Biara on your problem? Na ya repairs is so. Yana able staffs in Woho 24/7. Time being here when Biara. From one eye, bet you do. Waha Construction Company Limited, wo Cape Coast, Kakum do, Abrajukwa Road in do. Waben Kakum MA Basic School, Abrosano Biana, wo first floor. A bit my from one. 055-026-8598. Email wahaconstructionlimited@gmail.com. Social media handles Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn on Waha Construction Limited. And Waha Ghana on Facebook. Ebutuma visit one website www.wahaconstruction.com. Waha Construction. No job too big, no job too small.
Lawson TV.
Park the Pope Pies and Hammonds back park. Some people, Omba, so sano, Omo and Yagan for you. Facts. And no one did not film. Oh, Christus, we can see a card in which I really know acquainted the discovery and the answer. The carpet now for Sudi. May acquire for Sudi, sir. The kind said now, and Colani be so many student to be a Omocoma, if you know, a man who would be animal one, not the Yabram. Adia na adia eyensem abrabo eni munsem abrani munsem abrabo di bi madurachiri bi ma hihia nkwanhia bi ma wuwu bi no hawo amani ni nyina ya obra wa monso a enyi enti na oboba yesu Lawson TV yedi dwumadi a watu dini obra eni munsem ebrewo na ene enya opani kese ba ko a ye ne betwe nkomo afa na brabo ho Reverend Isaac Ufuri. Ono nene yene no ebetwe nkomo. Open ngase papa ma kwaba e ba Lawson TV ne Lawson FM.
Ankopo Ishra. Ya mi ado mi bia e fa. I ready to see Ishra. Ankopo ni no na e ba so dead.
Papa yeka Reverend Isaac Ufuri. Grobe mu na ye wono na hina Ufuri.
If we take bombs, I want to be free. Tech bombs, then be free. A crew and that's
okay.
First now we have class, but you say cry they have a to me until I
so first no na you need to come out. Na you crew kumemu.
Crew.
Nena crew kesi no. Ababa to no. Grassing head anyhow. So my job was school akra.
Yeah, because school kakra. Because school kakra the bombs school. Maybe I'm not because school.
But who drew school no drew best saying JSS and now form 4 now say SS and now say SN2.
Oh, and then we said na problem we feel you know. My team am go school here we drew class 5 na high school.
P5.
Yes.
Okay.
Because now me will be our shame until I was in high school.
Okay. Our phone you Mami ni papa ni na.
Ya woman me hu me papa da.
Wa me to papa.
Me nim no. Me ma me ntiba ko chem sem papa ni.
Wa chesu owu ana se bisi na wonto nchiro.
Onim ba bi okra no ba chere.
Oh. So from your school dia deporte juma deporte be na do nwure mu free se woni free dia wa hwe ase se obobra no. O di free ni.
Me say me school until me class 5. And I'm high school, me go school, I brought me in. See, I did be a class 1, me am kai. I did be a class 1 because I want to go school no many pa. Enti me kai be a kai say me go school no say many enti am from go school enti na me ma dey. Enti me try me high school. Enti me high no. Ade a na me yen say me ton ade ojo. Ton sa shoe talking me hair dye na me ton sa no one go. Yeah, and then Najumana me.
We are coaching, we are dredgery.
Yeah, and the 15 years in Anna Yes Edgeman. Then go 15 years in Anna Yes Edgeman. But that time now, I'm Yes Edgeman. Not me co school, you must have a Yes Edgeman. Me co school, you must be Yes Edgeman. Because then you'll be our famous school. But later I must say school, many money in it. Yeah, started JSS for. You mean who say subject in a dorsum. Addition, me demand to be giant, and I'm cough, because to idea. Till any more than a far cry, and cry magic, and I'm in young coupon. And to me, call a German to idea, and I'm in that. Yeah.
But you're not passing away.
Let me call it life.
Therefore, her die in the chino, a dear beam now, ye, or kind of maybe. I done it 2 years, and I said, hey, Daniel, so soccer bang, and never now, Sabrina.
Oh, no, normally pray. Challenges be brave because now I feel about who young couple and me soon yummy. And I'm yes, I do. Until a one I'm no yes, I do. No more young phobia, Sabi, no more young couple. And to me, my baby, young Messiah. And I'm a soon yammy. Now I'm more distant home apart. Until I'm frustrated, Miss. I'm so age of 15, 16 years, and the band tunes a big jaya at the end of the tone. Na mede me machine na medjuma mu ni etenemu no ana me pie wo asem bompata asafo asem the whole school da na me da student no pon school a me no chima na madam fo e ho na me bompai e ho so na me sai da
adentina wo free tech e kuma se ya na asem school na da
because na me na na nete na me na no anyini nza me ro no nyina bi kura wo wani no no awro no na John so na me pesa de no na me bafie sometimes we me bafie me gaba na me na ho empire bo na pesa me bo no do to be two quarter school there
na je ne se bia nka wonya baby na baby ni benya da nemu wa pesa wo hye ho din tina
na me two quarter school there the one na me da eti anapane bu ha ma bafie me gaba na this time bo be for me time school for no pon na go back to school na me titiwane ya bompa ya sa ma ya chi yeah, and then na me yes auntie. Yeah, na me boa colano. In colano, they were in crowd over 14 years. And then no Pompey was in partners. Then I'm ministry, youth ministry. Auntie, you guswa and I'll say park gusuno. I'll send me free. I remember say one day and park gusuno. The Pompey's and Robert's back parkers. And Robert's basso.
More Pompey.
And I just see the Pompey and a job. Auntie, the Pompey from there 7 and breast 7 to 9. I know me now coffee. And I'm saying that's good there morning to on another day. And Timidaho. Jana Journal bear 12 near sorry Pompey. And I'm Robert's bar.
Set me say home.
Almost here the park that's why a Pompey. I'm a bar, a bar and so. Yes. I'm buying so because I want a bang and zongo kakra and ten boys in a buy so I took work rana or why much be bounce attack scabish to man no be now in fact and no many film oh Christos we can see a card in which I wouldn't I never go in pa
so me bow ɔmo ba mo so saa no ɔmo anya hwɛ mfiri ɔde no yɛ mo
ɔmo boy me kai say lady bi kura na me na mo ka so person me retu but unfortunate they see as ɔmo yes have na nipa ba ɛno bu dwane yɛ nipa no bu dwane yɛ etu ɔmo ba yɛ so bi ɔmo bɔ yɛ ɔmo agye isika bi ekutakuta yɛ ɔmo de kɔ ɔmo tai ba but yɛ ni ba bi akontinu akwa ɛna if you say
sabra okodru school mu hɔ a fa nyame a woyɛ no mo gyae no ma wotɔn ni nyina
me gyae ni nyina me bia
ofo de na wonya di akwan didi ska bɛn na didi na sɛ kwa bɛ na fa so didi
me kwa ya fa so didi ne sɛ me kai sɛ na nkola ne bi so mo student to be a ɔmo kɔ maame hwe na maame no aduane mo ɔmo a na ɔmo de bi abrɛm na nkola no so maame ne ni so yɛ me na mfofo de wa na nkola no bi akɔ yɛ sɔfo a ɔno yɛ bɔ mpa ne aduane na bi maame ne de aduane fufie asoma akɔla na ɔde bi abrɛ ne yɛ di but sika deɛ na ɔmo nhyɛ da mo yɛ sika but na aduane deɛ bi wɔ hɔ a na ɔmo ma bi
so for wo ka sɛ wo yɛ yɛn na mo yɛ bɛ sɛ
oh ne yɛ boys na me yɛ mo leader the boys be 3 3 and 4 bi me o me ye mo ka ye mo me bompa as leaders ka me na na me do one until that's life na me kai say bompata Pentecost or so that ana ye mana o mo ina wo bompa afele bi koda bompata school bompata Pentecost aso dan enti be ba park no so na hu mo na nante akọ bompata na ko fe o ye no mo ti be ko park no so ma hu na so be ko bompata say na Pentecost district na ma eyin hia mu to mo ba twen enti o ba bompa ya ho to mo dan na an Roberts ba bi hwia mo no ma nti mo ko bi an Roberts ne ko bi ni na me so be ba ho no na ba ko ka se an Roberts ne ba ko se brown no so mo to mo bom papa oh o mo bom bi ko to the friends say police station zongo but down for 3 days we do obi ni mo never come as na money it is so lucky park no so na ye bosom pai no na boy bi ko Pentecost no bi ano no so park so bo pai it will no ever be hwe kromfo na ya chi no and was no way the onya kromfo me na bo pai o park so and sana omodue di se me be to mu keke na enya me akofo no mo me for 3 days I'm down obi akra nim say me down police station look at the difficult thing in life because of Christ in you you pass it through oh Christos so oh nyam so and no be pray I remember say me kope ba bia da my year all night and pray me ba bi kra da ma pray me kope school dan bi mu ada e wase me duru up the pan me comfort and also anko ya bomi free asem saa and me be fa prepare samre ho esa de be shim
oh zongo next zongo no second child
that's my second time
and no crab ma o hekura obi be je di se papa na mpa so ye anrowa and so na ntisa wow abushafo obrani mu nsem na wo hwe na wuti na Lawson TV and Lawson Radio and Reverend Isaac Ofori and akitwa brabo mu nkomo se ohun Kristo ntem fiedum na odene ho to Kristo so no akwanzide bebre how bebre no afem eno na yemo ho bi na no kakra tu nti wo se wapa onyankopon ti obi de e fa tu ho fo papa na ye da bi to asoma ye
yeah that's a frustrations in life Christ nti ya fa ne se hono sa no mama fa ne hono se me nya starting ministry ankasa asen pai bo kakra bo park so nti no mu no ana me studies me yeah my dream say I will start with the pai bo no park so me nya ba bi it me no ko a hono so no the big challenges so we start ya sorry oh yeah sorry and problems frustration me the nipa ma ko 7 ya sorry sa for 2 years e bi amaka
Nipa 7
for 2 years ebi ameka omo banana eba ada do se omo do so a ne bia aye 8
so for no one obemu omu
na ase me wani da so se be yi nti na me hwe se ebe yi but enye easy nipa suffer for 2 years ebi ameka okwa sorry a sankofona na
ale sabre na miracles bi mpia na say African na say before the pay essentially na nyame ntimi fa anya essentially bi ana
nyame de me ye adwuma na enso de nipa ma so
so for na ona modern say ne baby akodu no isi awunya adwuma na wakodu pempen so si bi de ne obepe kwa bi alfa so a nipa be ba so eno ama wadwenu sa
no na me believe prayer answer all things. Let me believe in Bible. So from my childhood, and I'm living Bible. I started to know. Now me who know man, nyame ayene no man, and some nyame catch them. Let me Jesus ebebe.
So for no, but that's a do be a nipa bi ama wo chen asofo bi ama fafutu bi am no say masa say won tua na mon kakra e bi a obesa ko achi ko nyame sumne esma we edin ko hia sa no mani bi so
sa man sama wo kan afa na aba wo
sa ho
ye time no na san sem we ni ho ye time no so the better na nsem ni ho na wo ya so ne nipa mai fi se bia wo boni a wo di ntina ko fo mo but ne ye se bia e wo so ko gie duro bi na sa de ni ho na da se beka so pai bu swa ana bibi nti but no obi nkan cho so ko na ko tumi bi fa ba ya so na sa de ni ho nti ye time no that time na me making is almost 10 years or 12 years as man make control na sa problem no sa de ni ho tada say na eni ho enti na ade a waye say obekonya me anim na opompae na osere yankopon se erade moaye amoawo na wa sorry no nya de enkoso but na sa problem sa asem na wo kan so okogie duro that kind of sa no azan ni sa no na eni ho enti na nya me na wo hwe ne say obetuma ya de apoa but the net and the Christosum na say
sabre a na wo pompae na fe ni mfie mienu ne nipa numa na nso na no ye dwa sabre no ware ana
yes me worry yes no worry that I'm not worry almost be 2 years me worry almost be 16 years
sa ko chere na comments na fa so worry
sa kwan so oh unfortunate minya chances be kakra chance minya za na me ministry na nkoso de but na no links via Methodist programs obisa Methodist churches obi enemy but to kwan all programs can say via na me ya obi bi say assistant crusade camp meeting society programs my programs tina me to kwan me ya Methodist programs into omo na boa me sa programs na boa me ama me timi hwe me ya na me ma
what I was saying
my 5
okay
no my 5
since ya wa sorry no said they will ministry no akodu sen na ti sen
yankopon adom ya ka se ministry a me kasa about ministry a wo power ministry a wo tool ministry a enye se no bi ba sorry but o kuta bible oba for miracle no but me kasa about ministry a emu otene eni papa ebetie chirechire ni papa ebetie nyamiasem sa ministry na me wo but enye ministry eye frefre kobo we will about 1000 we will about 2000 we will about 500 no say ene we jai radio ni tv kwa be 6 months obi ensi asoro no but your ministry enye tv na do mo buy enye radio na do mo buy but ayo adansi dia ye kwa bontin ko frefre wo mi ene mama betena se mo ba sorry a omo ma for miracle but omo ba for chire ti betuma catch you say be bi nyame ba betru ma nyankofo a ɔmo tie me n'ase ɔmo tie mu asɛm ɛde kɔpɔ pra ɛmɛ hyɛ kristo animuonyam.
So sisi okuta ɛdɔm bɛɛ sɛ.
ɔ me ni dɔm bebree but okuta nipa dɔm bɛɛ from 100 yɛ kɔ.
Nice. Ɛdi nyame ase. Okay, so for me yɛn musa wei bra wura ministry no a wɔyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ wasɔre no deeper life for no nso ne ntɛm kɔsi sɛn fi sa so bi a wopie firi mu a ɔhaw ne amanneɛ bebree deeper for no ne di ne sɛn.
ɔwɔ sɛ deeper life deɛ na me kɔ as a church member na me nyɛ hwee wɔ hɔ nti ɔmo koraa na mo nhyɛ dɛm ne nwi but me kɔ ɛhɔ na me sa kyerɛ nipa na ɔsa kyerɛ mo preach kyerɛ mo na ɔyɛ deeper life ne ɔde me community me kɔ as a members a meyɛ obedience ma ɔmo nkyerɛkyerɛ but mpaebɔ na prophetic ɛmɔsora tɔɔ me so nti sɛ manka hɔ no that time na metɔn adeɛ wɔ dwam no na metɔn adeɛ wɔ dwam no so obi nam na ne ti nam fam na mehu
sɛ nyame bie w'ani.
yes obi ne ti nam fam na mehu
nti ba sɛ nipa na aka sɛ ne kyerɛ no
mehu ne sɛ ɔkɔ menka hwee obi wɔ bɛtɔn adeɛ na mepagya metena mehwɛ n'anim a ɔsome ntɔ obi tumi keka mu ɔtwa hwe
ɛwɔ nim
ɛwɔ m'anim mu ɔtwa hwe like obi tumi keka ɛmɛ na no metumi hwɛ w'anim na ɔkɔ that time no egyina nkurɔfoɔ ɛsɛ me meyɛ bayifoɔ that time because ɔn sɛ na saa nɔɔma wei no na ɛni hɔ nti saa na obi bɛyɛ dɛ but na ɛyɛ nyankopɔn tumi eti deeper life wɔn na ɛna mekɔ asɔre just like that na mekɔ hɔ bi mebɛtena menyɛ hwee wɔ mu na akasɛ bi a mefiri hɔ no ayi problem ama me no ɔmo daabi.
bra wokɔ Pentecost asɔre dɛm akɔfa maa no mbɔ mpaeɛ na arɔbɛ saa bi wia wɔn na ɔhu sɛ wɔn ɔka ho a maame bi kaa sɛ ɔsɛ baako a ɛbɔ ɔdu kɔto mu no asɔre no deɛ na wɔn tee sɛ ɔnyɛ kurɔfoɔ no bɛyɛ maa wɔn anaasɛ sɛ mi no ka kyerɛ wɔn.
ɔmo anka hwee ankyerɛ me nothing anaa sɛ obi ɔwɔ ebee mi na mi kɔ mi fie na mi kɔ dware na mi sa start mi mpaebɔ a mi bɔ so.
ɔnso deɛ na nso mpaebɔ no yɛ ti asa nipa no ɔka sɛ ɔsɛ kurɔfoɔ no bi no.
maa nyɛ hwee nti a mi hu ne sɛ yɛkyɛ Paul ne Silas.
wow
nti I will take the cool in life ɛka kyerɛ mi sɛ ɛma mi to mi ho fo sɛ daakye bi mede bɛyɛ asɛm aka te sɛ deɛ meka kyerɛ ɔnam nti afei na saa asɛm no aba mu a meka kyerɛ wiase nyinaa so muhu adeɛ nyame tumi yɛ.
sɔfo ansana firi mpaebɔ mfie du no mu kɔ no woda mu mfie mprɛ no doɔ sɛ
mmienu
mprɛ no
yes
okay
woda me 2 times
okay
yɛ ne nyinaa bi wɔ a 2 days bi wɔ a 3 days
okay
ɛna mepie firi mu ne nyinaa so mampaaba na meyɛ nyame dwuma meyɛ adwuma no sɛdeɛ wɔ sɛ meyɛ dɛ meyɛ
yɛ adwuma no sɛdeɛ na meyɛ no pɛpɛɛpɛ Reverend Isaac Ofori ɛna ɛne twetwe nkɔmmɔ fa na brabɔ mu na ɔkyerɛ deɛ wafa mu nti wo a wohwɛ yɛn no da bia mehyɛ wo ade sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wosua adeɛ firi sɛ dwumadie wɔ mu mɛnhwɛ no kwa hyɛ mehwɛ Lawson TV deɛ wɔ so Lawson TV ɔno bebree de ma wɔ yɛhu papa a yɛka yɛhu bɔne a yɛka na yɛakyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ sansankorɔma yɛnante aman nyinaa so ɛfa nsɛm na nsɛmpa a ɛbɛboa wɔ abrabɔ ɛne yɛde brɛ wɔ sɛ wotie ɔsɔfo no a ne mfato no sɛ ɔde ne ho to no sɛ Paul ne Silas ɛda afiase wɔn ampa aba nti ɔno nso na afiase ɔkɔdaeɛ no ɔmpa aba ebi abo a ɛna ato hɔ a ka bi aduabo a nansɛ nkanoa bi ɛmfata na abɛyɛ suadeɛ firi dwumadie no mu na ɛbɛboa wo ama wakɔ anim dwumadie no mmakuo bi na asoma so ma yɛde dwumadie te sɛ ɛbrɛ wɔ na mpanin sɛ aboɔ bi a nansɛ ntakraboa ne ho bɛyɛ fa a ne ntakra no ɛna ma ihu na ho fɛ dwumadie bɛyɛ fɛ na yɔda na yɛ Nyax Royal Kenti papapaa no wope bi atɔ a Nyax hɔ ɛna binya kenti a ɛsombo na ɛfɛ ne dim na aboa wo ama dwumadie apɛso ne di no di na ayɛ fɛ ɛhyɛ wɔ animuonyam ɛsɛ ahyɛ ntomawura animuonyam na ahyɛ nyame nso animuonyam frɛ 0245 413 179 0245 413 179 ɔsɔfo
ɛda
yɛasa aba biem
na me aso mmienu
na sesei mɛtuma ka sɛ wo nso nkwalaa no anaa no mu yɛ adwuma bɛɛ mmiɛnsa anaanan no ɛnɛ wo mu ka ho anaasɛ wo nso wo mu ate wo ho
nyame ahyira obiara pagya We are some support so we CCC, right? We will come and you know kasa start your ministry. And Punkola na nena mo bompa do na ware omundi machibi mu die but omo ko obia nyame hira obia bia brabo successful
so for bra ware no anko base eno so consider ba ma unu gra se ware ye dey wan nka bi da
we need to be careful that in Canada our be a problem so with but we did say the nyame wo person di mama and what dia mama nyame adom I'm successful. I'm a successful man. I'm number 5. I'm here to by that time achieve the ministry and nice. Be a custom.
So for this year, what sorry doing the sense?
International Golden Cathedral.
International Golden Cathedral.
Yeah. I told you for years Hotel Junction.
Hotel Junction. Hotel Junction.
Yeah.
So wo nkwala asise wo so atiti wo mu kire wo mu empire ball no kredi ne se de esikwe wo bi atiti wo sa
nyame ato mi preacher no mo di nkomo afa nyame de nyame tumi ye nyame ahoden se be ya wo mu ane nko petu mi fufu bi e be nyame tuma
ene sisi nkwala be se na kuta wo titi wo sa asofo
o mi ni wo asofo be form shame na se be no wo ya chi sisi
no branches ni bi o be bi ana se asore ba ko pe
asore be ba ko but we will be our crown, we will branch our crown, but it's not a church, the Bible. Yeah.
So for what problem, the best panel who we are with my casses and that we may read probably feeder.
And nobody pray.
Yeah, those, but I didn't my workers had with the inflating dancing rain feeder. What problem, then a true one, how was she what? A year we have power can send you the inflating that. What can they be?
It's a ministry. So, I remember say Opia Onyam Akolabia over 14 years 15 years I work on it na me ma so first one never go so me ma me febe so the because ma me apona me fa kola when you come the boy bad the ba so mana wuye iwie ekoye na toye so nkoye na toye sebi atare ko shede ba so yin ba church ni bo afi e di be 2-3 weeks a bia ne ma so bi na me call in chain na na ma so e ma me ka church be bi o dwan jina no
how na be jina ba first ne de na bi o dwan jina na be jina ho
but the ban corners akola ne be dase kro bi enti me wonye obi amana ni chi kra so be kam to hona musa a yeah but adeba commission ni ko na say so an kobo so mfie na o kwa sorry to say asori na oba mbia na sorry ni bi na o kwa sorry for fra ni na nya me ba ko to ko be no we as be am yes ministry no more because the ministry I am heart asori am akoma
so for now my team be paying won kasa ni obi din komo e kan say won hu say obey sofo because sika was spending war asori no no senka o dey business bi anke bia ko wani yeah e no cresa
say you ko ba me sofo bi
o say
you ko ba adwuma friend sofo die so sofo die e ye nipa adwuma ka be jai na me bompa ese no nya me mfrɛ me baabi aso eso
oh adentra
oh adwuma obi an choose ka woni di adwuma o ya nya sa de no me ato so
obi an choose ka woni di
nya sa de no me ya sa ka asem ya no me di ato so so the audience are so full to that you know on fantastic with Jamie
yeah
yes
wow
yes I don't know me ato so show now Jamie
what yes sir
oh yes also the audience are so full to that you know a show crown man show na show some cool some
ni ba show Jamie
the people Jamie are all money it is so be konya me obi kosina ni ana ko so nya me dwuma mu a e gye mu a e curse sana Bible ne yere
aka nti wo sire Awurade sɛ wo ba bia
David any frustration I suffer because of the frustrations I'm telling you the work of bro frustrating the odi nya me kan ye adwuma so frustrating I conflict in celebrate me say no me go say be also and I mean can say but no me go say be tia so ma start tia so because I didn't say the poor conform say the bomb pie nanka akontu o bani ma tutu kwan no ne tutu saa na obi pami amene ne ma na me hu na me ni nko na popo ni pa na me ni pa bed na be to me so what make am say a come di obi o so boa no oni bi kra so ko fa o family si bi na the body na frustration ade ba ko ya me ya wo mi ase am ba last week the same year bisa me 3 million man farmer me say me ni scam me farmer 3 million pe man ba the pia body na so be friends and be ya in hospital ya the hospital we ya 3 million we send 3 million to come ba man farmer me here
abuja for on say this come no asofo die na asofo Reverend Isaac Ofori onemu na o say onunu ho say obobo nipa no say what ya ko nya ni mpa bo no a na ko nya asori
ka me nya no say me tutu kwan na ka be ye nkofo program say le
e ma wo
na ka ma mo nkofo na say mu hia
so na ho na mo bia na ka ko no mu enye program
ene de be fa mo asofo eda
baba
enu di enye masan
gafo
yes na me ti open ye student na ba o say ade a ware great will be as me say what ya so
this office you want ya so rese na aka kire o
ade so da wo so ni wo obeti bi obi o start ya so na me mobo yes eno ma mi ni obi nso bi ya na me mobo aware e na so
obi a ware and obi o ti asori
obi wale a me friend welcome to problem what on farm di
amobi se ko de no
yes
obi di
wona ma o yet me friend so way brafie any choice
yeah
oton obi o bi aton farm di o nya ti asori pe oton farm di o uni farm di bie mo ya si abai ade ya ye be ye o yere no ma ene wo so tia so di mo a it is all you are branch na wo tie me na wo so afa na wo fi se so fu di ska bi wo mu na wo tia sorry a man I'm telling you say one way ya wo problem me asori amate anam paibo amate no ena ma me ni iska
just said o members na bed ni ye odia
e wo na ye odia obesi asoro dan
wa so down ye be ba ho so for so down efe I don't know e ka wo bo so down na ma na hye wo no a ti wo mpesen ka o ye nya asori bi jana
ene say so we nyame adwuma holy person nyame person go do obi
yeah
o person ko heaven o kire de ye ma obi no aya ama o mo ne mega
yeah
enti so o kura no so person ya de pa be mo obi a o kura o ku disade o sika ko hye sade ma so na ma boka almost by 14 billion oba me compounder ma so yo we did the rate
ni no me gun
almost 14 billion but nya so na me na this scam
so for now nya sorry no e den na nya se ska kesi
I control na me tutu no programs na me na
until our person ka programs no on kwasa
ya chew 20 million na de abasha so se scam ni boom na de but kakra so be sidan
yeah
oboka be more than 7 billion but only se scam da ho obisa na 1 billion go nya de onyama but kakra na me see but asori no burden ni no me wa so no a wo titi nipa a wo de no me gu akwan a on person nyame na wo sra no me see it take more than 30 years and sana wo asonnet me to ka acho
so for binum so die no 6 years 5 years yo
obi a wo di nyame de ne
okay
obi wo ha say a friend Crawford or maybe talent 2 or maybe 1 5 nyame no nyame ne catch on ne amot yes say nyame o do bi time bi oh yeah what no you know
yes
ka o checha de mo bi 5 na mo bi 2
na baby crowds on say afraid my phobia bi no nsia le bi no nwotwe ofa bi no nkron dumienu na ofa bi no onu utie mu nyina so ka
utie mu nyina ta enti nyankopon o shabre nyame shabre o de onye me fam and what the word that so yet from
so for nyame or
God is alive
ade tene bi omu ye adwuma te se de wo kan ya wo bre wo ho ne pai bo konchina so fo nyina omu ya wo no obi nsusu ba asisi an opagya no
min to me kan chiro se nyankopon ne pagya ho min to me kasa asam so bi ba ya na nyame timi yesa na ho bonin so timi ye be
yes so bia no go no tim pagya no
oh yes
abra ni nyame na pagya no
oh yes ba so fo e joji kura ni je ye yizo ke ni be ba ko jibi ti se sikadro je ye yizo sikadro je yiza en ka wo ko ni se fa wo ba wo do bra mi wo ba bia mi do pa na sam ba ese me fa na bra mi ti mi fa no ko ti matena se me ja na me nyame ni so nyame na mo it to be a champion is not easy. What I said, sikadro ni di emra kamelu mi ni ke be kwa jibi ba e den o kwa mi ahye mra ma untumi no sa ha ba fia beda it do no na kuma e den no kwaji no de man to go na kuma e den o hwe bi na mfa ba fa kwan bi so
ape
no de enya dwuma se di pampo ni wu a on fa ho so bi kan ni free sampa on ye de on fa ho
so for na sa twa no so say ne o pɛ ne ho nya no amfa twe ne kwa so se ko hwede a wo mutu no ne kusia so o bebu na mo jana de o ye ne be wi nkwasi ase sa go ofisi na aka kire wo
de pesa me ka kire wo nyina ne se asaso so aho kire ya akoma ya aho kire ya I don't blame them me unzo bi akɔje do de sofo I don't blame no on the new situation tia e mane ko ya sabe opanyini nyame som enna fom enya ade a abewancho 80 akomade oda
pa
unsa komade wa unu adwene ba wotri
bebri morning cause
me judge obi straightforward me judge God judge according to situation na me nchiro mu na tia se die ba ye tia ma wo yes ha de no what we gonna say se me trimo de wo me ba so na de me ba no me ba ko fam sika to me ania na ye me fault me blame me ba no because me na mama come tell me ba no am na poko but so man na di na o hwe no poko no dia na ye ono nya enyi eti no me judge by street share one person about your mind one person ko die duro di ba ya so one person aprabo mo open se bi o fa kwa su bu bi tisika but situation on namu no my brother what do you know ma ya ye I regret you bi ase as for people frustration ti e ka kasaro na so for ko no there are so for status musu what do you know ma di pa ye because of frustration ministry in cost unti I regret it. It's not about so what you true but no more people who are oh yeah simple so you practice why you're sad here now because Mira that to do something because of life frustrations I would try or how am I near problems be a woman na ama wa sad share madam for the catcher me no dey aso sofo me ne ma three and that because we so no down the castle really
so mu down kan
I must have frustrated
wow
and the problem is my brother in terms of ministry no tell me catch us say me o can so come sorry ya what come
yeah
because the ministry I am alive. So we need amania nipa family ministry. It's not about money, scatter bottom, but now facing problems. Uska, but ministry no, you obviously drew into me and frustration. And that's why we yes, we have pesca the ministry. You saw on your day.
Until next time, we are going from Yasreba, we are going
yes. Until life about ministry, nobody can encounter. It's difficult. Oh, ministry one. Intimi budi, intimi kanu afiti iso. Intimi budi, intimi kanu wasa. But me kanu esen su. Awiyana. Awiyama ne. Brother, why you are sorry sir for 8 years? We share school there. Come o broma. What shall be oba? No, so person a boa, a pejama brabo. And more brabo is successful. Mother. Or a more be a hypocrite. You do it. You humble yourself to a ban. Said the ya, or no man, or yet no back, and the baby, you humble. Massa, if we are some.
Someone has a Bible to say, I'm firing Shinny Pemu. If you need to need pass. No, we saw a boy life more. This now so I don't want. I
saw the other mouse is here now, and then future now.
Okay.
The other mouse now, and now solve problem, and I want to see
that big.
Yes.
What a babe.
Now when you offer me 4 billion offer of them and others of Pell, a happy your ministry. You are always one, but he like you. Well, you need money, baby, I'll tell you too. You do it. Massa. So be so a Gina. What Gina? I'm telling you, say, Nipano Shano or no, Sanipano or this scar. Or me say you were 10 billion and now you were 20 billion or baby to me for 4 billion in my dad, sir. But said me need be na me bread. Na come we need a meeting for my bread soon. Obi 200 million crap I'll take it. I'm not lying.
So for na basa I am from so and I say
I'm not sure say I am from so but nyame judge according to situation. Dia a mass had in the air and buy. But we shall be a service castle in Mexico. You say, brother, nice lady. You're coming back to school fees. So then you bet down poor. And it's coming. I want to be a shame. I'm just going to tell us on Funko. That means my first can have an eye. I don't want to I'm going to pay Bush on the man. Williams can open 2.5.
2.5 million. Yes. 250 Ghana's.
Yes, I'm telling you. My brother, situation will be as the frustration will be as only. Brother, now only normal, I mean, my year, it will be as I regret it in life.
Some be some Bobby switching.
No.
Sir, and no, they are not me who's on your way.
Really, don't push me. Because do you know something? And moment be at any coin say, yeah. Because we all cry any coin or Jessica. Oh Jesus. You guys were Jessica. Oh, I'm not children.
To wet you.
I want you to be your friend, son. But want to be young.
I was out for what can be what you say. Reverend Isaac Ofori. Na bra bomu nsem e na wo kire amane o say situation bi o let nipa bi femu a sa situation nipa be femu no ba you blame nipa no but you blame situation ade no de akodu no e bia wanye sa na nyamsom enafo oyo sofo a wa ye no kre sofo amirade na mane a wa fem eno ma wo fem wa defiase atenie atro dia kagunu suo ensem wa dia fa no so me ti bibi se ebrebi obi ba wa so wo se wo de aduro na yeduma me ti bibi sa no kre
eno so your ministry mun sensem bia yes sansem ne dia ya ti a lot because o she enoma is ni pana eba hona official de adwuma
ɛna ma te sɛ obi nso ba wo ho na kɔ pɛ sɛ ɔno fa mpena wampena ma no ɛwɔ sɛ obi gu asɔre no ɛno nso no kora bɛde wo
saa nɔɔma no ɛsisi sɔɔ no bɛka no but yɛgyina ma nyame yɛgyina de ma onyankopɔn nti saa nɔɔma no nyinaa ɛsisi yɛ but anhɔɔdu the end of the day no nipa no bɛka sɛ na yɛabɔ de paa sɛ ɔmmra mɛyɛ dɛ ɛmɛyɛ saa de so that na ade bi yɛ si yɛ kora ma me sa nka nhyɛ mu gye obi baa me nkyɛn ɔkɔ SD na ɔba asɔre a ɔkɔ SD ɔkɔ memeda asɔre ɔsɛ da bi wɔ ha na ɔba no yɛwada na ɔba asɔre saa dafa na meyɛ asɔre test ɛna ɔsosɔfo me school fees ɔyɛ nurse no menim sɔfo yɛde maa me ɛna ɛfaa me so na yɛyɛ exam sɛ na metua school fees na ma menyɛ dɛ ɛnyɛ exam ɔka yaa na ma meyɛ de kyɛk kubra san kyɛk ne ma me san kyɛk ne ma no wotena kan na nsɔ no ma ne bɛti ka ma monhwɛ sɛ sɔfo ne pɛ me mama me kyɛk wow asɛm wei obi bɛka sɛ deɛ meka no ka sɛ why ka that is
this kind of song.
Oh, that time is coming there. I think I make almost 7 years old.
This kind of song.
Maybe 1.2 million B. Maybe 8 years or something. It is said no, we actually 8 million.
8 million, yeah.
What I said? Yes. As a much as myself no pen.
So I'm on check.
Wow. And that girl, no, last week of friends or while we continue, but your cover, yes, me, my cancer.
So from what case number?
Man cancer.
By your dear, as soon as I saw.
And the catcher, the canoe, man, say, so the idea will mount from my heart. My body will appear the caviar.
Jamina,
Jama said,
so for the open view.
No, Yaman,
Let me say, I come out carrying the waka.
Man, Caprana, and the cranny.
So, okay. This is just what I am or when.
Ministry,
Oba was a vampire man over one.
oh, my bumpire man. Why, a bumpire man, forgive and forget.
I mean, so Jenny to recap, call Reverend Ogunko to be panicho, Nanya from Mobile Fisher, what to cassette in Yaminipa, or cassette in Yami, or Kai quotation or can be Sakaria, a team in Jimono. This will be in Saka, Yankuponi, the Zaka Yamini Kushia. To recap pass of Joe. Observe, yeah, call was said we have one. It's very this year. Also, Yoko, a 7 hour chat to watch a far 1 hour is for Binujin Japan with the house, Binujin Japan speakers, Onina, TM Yami, Mura is general is in check, but Encheno heavy as now, and no one did our country woman, it is another country, 1 hour share, Ababi as a fenam some.
You make kind of sad, and you manage. And I'm going to I send be I did a tools. Problem behind the tools. It's obeying channel a great thing with dry anything. Ushias yaso. Bibre Yashias in Yaso. Ushias ya. I said Ushias Yamuson, and then Sumona for me. So Ushias ya, no idea. Right. The beer was she has no so I'm going to
Aben. If you are sorry, me when he's obeying a Juma, now we are a be a soft room mobile. Reverend as you fully. A man of Femubi, and nowadays a brabum is a 2 hour. Subscribe, share our YouTube channel, Facebook. Never only be and Febi, na enquire mu, na me say, enquire mu no ano, Yamina so, or you say cry, a be Lawson TV so, or mobile so, Amasancha, aha, any media is you, or don't forget to one, Jacam, Elbe Bremo.